Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices, fresh batteries in the remote and the TV powered on. Once done, place the remote about 3 meters from the TV to avoid interference. Press and hold the remote's setup or pairing button until the indicator LED changes. This tells the remote to listen. Make sure you watch the TV for any on-screen prompts, because some modern sets show pairing requests. If your remote lists a code search mode, start it now. This initiates automated code transmission to the TV. Now you run the core synchronization. Choose auto search for convenience or manual code entry if you have the brand codes. If using auto search, press the prescribed key to begin cycling codes. Every few seconds, test power or volume to detect a match. When the TV responds, press save or OK to lock that code. Make sure to cycle slowly and wait 2 to 3 seconds between tests so the TV can register commands. If manual, enter each code and verify basic functions before moving on. Finish by saving the matched code and systematically testing power, volume, input, and menu navigation so you confirm full control. Once done, label the code or store it in your phone for future reference. If controls behave erratically, reset the remote to factory defaults and repeat the pairing. Sometimes lingering codes interfere. Make sure the TV's firmware and input device settings are current, because software quirks can block remote signals. If problems persist, try a universal remote app or contact support for device-specific steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.